the OM4. Comes in a nice case that's pretty small, keeps you... Maybe it's time to lose the case. Voila! What do we have here? The full enchilada. You got the tripod. You got the GoPro mount for your OM4. That fits. How about some lighting, Bring the lighting too. Tripod. How about that, It's tripod time, baby. Tripod time. Oh yeah. And of course, the glorious, the OM4. Now that's what I call safety. What can I do with you? What can I do with you? Let's find out. Well, looky here, but can you track? Not bad. Can you look down? Can you look up? Not bad. Not bad at all. Can we transform you into a selfie stick? Oh. Selfie with movement. Selfie stick with movement. Oh, give me that selfie life. Not bad at all. Put you down. You. Let's get some light. Bam! Bam! How about now? Things are a lot brighter. Welcome to the bright side. Not bad, not bad. Looking more and more useful. Or maybe you have an action camera. Look at this piece that PGYTECH made. You just attach the clamp right to it, flick the clamp around the other way, put it back on, turn around to selfie screen, power it back up. I'm in selfie mode now. You know, you hit record. Maybe you can use this instead of your phone, you know. Not everybody wants to use their phone. You want to keep your phone separate. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you don't have the app functions, like the app doesn't integrate with the actual Osmo Action, but you still got controls here. And the Osmo Action has a wide view, so not everyone has an iPhone. Maybe your phone doesn't have an ultra-wide camera. You use the widescreen mode on the GoPro, take off Rocksteady. Look at the difference. Look at the wide view. Look at how wide it is with Rocksteady off. But if you're like a vlogger or something and you like to show your adventures in the world, I mean, look how much real estate you got here. I mean, that's wide as hell. Who needs Rocksteady, baby? I got Rocksteady right here. Shit, look at me. Could be you. This is a must-have for your OM4 because, let's face it, you want to protect your equipment. And now that you know you can put all of your equipment, not just your OM4, but the whole shebang inside of this case, this is a must-have. This guy, because of its flexibility, attachability, tripod attachment, you can use it to hold your ring light if you're doing beauty shots or whatever you're doing. This has so much flexibility outside of the OM4 that this is just worth having by itself, whether you have an OM4 or not. And the GoPro stuff, if you're an action person, you're a vlogging person, like I said before, and you really don't have an iPhone 11 with the ultra wide camera and those sort of stuff, well then this could be a fit for you as well. So yeah, as always, PGYTECH, very well done, great products to pair with your OM4 and just general camera stuff. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Are you getting this stuff? Yes, no, and why? What appeals to you the most? I definitely want to hear. With that being said, make sure you hit that thumbs up button till it turns blue. Subscribe if you have not already, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you can get notified when I release more OM4 videos. Share this video with anyone you know who has an OM4 or just flies drones in general. I will catch you guys whenever I can. Big shout out to Autonomous Drone Services and MadMixTube.com for providing us with the equipment to make these videos possible. I'm still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.